In the previous video I've shown you how to change the oil on your Mini One. In this video we're going to pick it up with the remaining part from the service. We're going to change the air filter. I've chosen the air filter from Bosch, and I'm going to put it in my Mini One 1.4, the R56 model. This one is from 2009. I already got my tools, and just open it, get it out. For the ones at the bottom, I need a little extension. Don't worry, screws won't fall out. That's the nice thing about working on a Mini or BMW like this. Everything is well thought of. And one more over here, and then it should be ready to go. This one I also have to release. Yep, all the screws out. It's probably a 10. Yes, it is. This is the old air filter. It actually doesn't look that bad, but now I'm going to take out the new one so we can compare. There is a difference in color. You can see that the old one has done its job well, and now it needs to be replaced. This one we don't need anymore. New one we put in. Like that. Put it neatly around over here and tighten it back up. That's all there is to it. These are the easy tasks which you can really do yourself at home. Don't need to pay an expensive mechanic for it. And trust me, the mechanic won't blame you for it. I think he has much more interesting jobs to do than just changing your air filter. It has to be tight, but don't overdo it. After tighten it, just check them all again, see if you don't miss anyone, if you don't miss any screw. It's all tight over here. We attach this one first with the hand because it's a lot faster than with the tools. And that's it. Air filter changed. There's not much more to it than this. I hope you learned something from it. Thanks again, and see you in the next video.